Pop and bang. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now we are currently walking to the exit of Red and Jackme to film cars leaving. So let's just get straight into the video. We got one of them camped out right at the exit. So if anyone does accelerate, like this van, they're right there. We're gonna get a two-step. Oh yeah. Oh. Started them off now. Going again. Oh look, someone's actually brought their BMX to the meet. We have the MR2 leaving. Is it Mr. T? The police are still parked just over there. We also have a hubcap from a Ford right in front of me. Look, we have a Civic with a Domino's sign on top. That's on air ride. Pop and bangs, there we go everyone. Well, I can't hear them now, the motorbikes are too loud. Another motorbike, I couldn't hear the 350 because of it. This is one of many Supras here tonight leaving the show. We couldn't even hear it. They're being very sneaky, being parked up there, aren't they? So when you're leaving, because of the crowd are in the way, you can't see the police car until you're about halfway up the road. The white one is lovely. You never see them in white. Oh, the lights have just turned on. There's a flame there. Turbocharged. very loud. Now that is cool. So much induction noise. Someone's popping and there is a police van right behind me, so I don't know what car it is, but there isn't much left over in the car park. Yeah, I'm now going to end this video here. That was it from Reading Japney. It was nice this month that there wasn't so much police like there has been the last couple of months. Well, pretty much for the last year now, there's been so much police. As I say that, another one is coming in right behind me. But yeah, I'm now going to end this video here. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. It's much appreciated, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace out.